Hello, I just want to show you guys a part from the first generation Chevy Volt that has been discontinued, and it's a common failure point where it fails and then you lose your engine coolant, and the next thing you know, your engine is overheating. So this is what it looks like. This is specific to the first generation Chevy Volt. It goes from the cabin heater pump to the into the vehicle, into the cabin, and this is where it's anchored to the frame, the chassis of the vehicle. You got those two isolators, and then you have the inlet and the outlet, of course. Same here, this is the pump end, and this is the end that goes into the vehicle, into the cabin. So for my case, this is exactly where it failed. See if I can zoom in, somewhere right there on the right hand side. Unfortunately, this part can no longer be bought, so your best bet is to probably go through a salvage yard or have somebody who can weld aluminum do the repair for you. Or you could also, cut through the pipes and bypass everything using high temperature coolant hoses. All right, just wanted to share that with you guys. And if your first generation Chevy Volt is overheating, go underneath and see if there's any coolant that's dropping on the front passenger side. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.